Oh, that's hilarious. It wasn't working, but now it is. Okay, perfect. I was talking to myself the whole time, wondering what the hell is going on. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. What the hell? One more button's dead. What's going on here? I didn't know my button could move like that. Okay. Perfect there. Perfect. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. There. That's perfect. Just looking at the volume on the mic. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, that's why I didn't do it. Okay. Let's just do that. How do we do that? To be honest, that's okay. Is this out the way? Like that. I can work with that. That's actually not that bad. And then I can turn the volume up a bit as well. Better. There you go. GU's crossing. EU and GU both doing something, which is fine. At 8 o'clock now as well, which makes it a bit more trickier because that's going to be classed as a London open sweep, and if it tags that invalid zone, there's just going to be a mitigation of that zone and then likely to short is what I think. So let's see what happens. If it comes up and takes, I'm going to class that as a sweep. Limit, tag the zone. First leg, second leg. I think we're going to go short. Would have took that level out completely and then dropped down. Then we're seeing pound come up. Ooh, this is looking sketch. That to me looks like we might get GJ longs, bro. Oof. The SL 4.5. I have to do at least a pip on that, man. I can't take it directly from there. I need a pip SL on GJ. Damn it. The midline of Asia. 26. I would have taken this trade if the SL was within range, but it's not, so I'm gonna see how it goes anyway, if it would have been an L or a TP or whatnot. Let's get a big move there, long contraction, bigger candles there. Yeah, let's see what happens. CCC, what happens? Reverse. Would have tagged. Oh, actually, I don't know. Spreads. Oh, spreads were big. Spreads were big, so I don't know about that. Let's see what happens. I'm going to turn the brightness down a bit. It's a little bright. Yeah, that's better. This is telling me to do an update on the trade copier. Don't think I need to actually. Oh, on the 15th. Oh, they did an update yesterday. Oh, they're doing a good update here. I want this update. Where's the installers there? It is a Monday of NFP FOMC week, so if you do get crappy price action, that explains a lot. Being a bit tricky at the moment. That was 0.7 pips past the entry zone, so depending if the spreads were 0.7, well 0.8 or more, then it wouldn't have triggered, so that's interesting. Very, very interesting. The London Open come down, took these lows, bounced off at the bottom of Asia low, so what do we do now is the question. Sitting and waiting, waiting and sitting. Update there here on copy a connector app. let that update in the background. Run the copier, installer, pairing files. We close all of the slaves and stuff down. Pin this to the taskbar. Pinned and then hit install. Why you don't like it? Not done anything. Does that mean it's installed on some and not others, or it's not totally worked at all? Okay, done. Okay, installation complete. It just took a long time for some reason, I don't know why. Done. Done. Now it should work. Okay. Awesome. No issues. No issues, no issues there, no issues there. Looks good. Yeah, looks good. Phew. I was worried for a second then, man. Glad that worked out. Glad that worked. Okay, let's now set the thing on here. First to be fixed by lot. It would right. If I do by percentage, I'm gonna do 2.5. That'd probably be the best course of action. Yeah. Hmm. I love that. They come down, took this low, and then pushed higher. That is absolutely brilliant. And then GU took out these lows and now pushed higher. Oh, that's beautiful. That was beautiful. Thing is, this could have gone the other way, and that could have been completely valid, which is the tricky thing on it. That's gonna probably fly now. That should probably fly through all of this level. Won't do anything here. Literally nothing I can do now. Nothing at all. Only thing I can do is pray that they both do a bit of a contraction and that GU lets me hop in around here and the SL is acceptable.
India Trade Secretary says they have increased Russian oil purchases this month, and the US is working on recreating global tariff architecture. India's Trade Secretary says India-US deal will be signed when the US re-establishes global tariff rates.
Right, where were we? Price is flying, which is beautiful. Core price again. That's good. That's really good. Just no bloody entry. The only place you can get an entry is here, but the concerning thing becomes after what point do you class it as invalid, and price has already moved a peak of 10 pips away. I think after about 13, 14, I think I'd probably say the move's gone and it's too late to try and get in. But this was interesting though, because lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low. Oh, that didn't break structure. Higher low, lower high, higher low. Higher high broke structure there. Then you could take it from here, I suppose. But then it would be the case where you wanted to come take this low, which is 50 by 1, 2, 3, 5. 0.5, 4.5. I don't know. I mean, I don't think I would have. It would have been there and then let price go. London open demand zone is very valid for sure, but it got tagged and it didn't break structure, so it would have been taking this low. Yeah, does it make sense? But if you were to have taken it from here, that'd have been a lovely zone, but once again you wouldn't have got tagged because the spreads, the London open demand zones there. It would have just made sense taking it from there and covering the low, but the SL was too big, so nah, probably wouldn't have taken that. Yeah, I wouldn't have taken that. Oh well. What is it? Hey, you stupid. There. Okay, GU's given a possible entry now. Wait a second. Use clean and clear. Just tag that zone now. I think it will fail just because you got this high here. Might hold. Maybe not. Yeah, it's gonna call for that low. Like the L, didn't it? Yeah, it did. Made equal lows. That's wanna come down possibly, I think. Nothing for me as of yet. I don't know why that's over here. That could be. Look here on UJ. I see it. Took it, didn't it? Took that low there. These two lows relatively equal. Oh dear, oh dear. What interesting price action this is. I'm not seeing much happen in the market. We had a nice move in Frankfurt pushing higher. London dropped, took out this low, pushed higher, and we just come back to equilibrium again. Or like back to where we were pretty much in Frankfurt, around about here. So it's gonna keep sitting and keep waiting. Yo, Mwangi, what's happening, brother? Markets are dead today. Pretty dead. How are you anyway? Are you in anything or not? Any trade or not? I wanted to go long on UJ, but then it tagged the invalid zone there. Then it come down, tagged the invalid zone here. Then it come down, tagged the invalid zone there. The UJ is horrendous. GJ, I wanted to go long, but that was in a clean zone to go long on lower time frame. There was one zone, but the SL was too big. Yeah, nothing new. Yeah, so I'll show you the zone I wanted to go. go long on UJ. So I was kind of looking at this on GJ, sorry. Basically a channel happening there. First leg, second leg, there's technically a demand zone, but the demand zone was too big, and there's actually this demand zone right here instead. So first leg, second leg is actually supposed to be that demand zone, but even if I took it, the spread was so big it probably wouldn't have happened anyway. I was looking at the London Open demand zone, because if you notice, London Open demand zone seems to be holding. I would have taken it from there, but the SL was like 5.5 pips, too big for me, so it would have been this zone. But then that is so tight that I probably would have actually got swerved. That was it really on GJ. UJ obviously you can see we're stuck in a range. Euro USD, I wanted to go long, but there was no entry. Price just kind of flew because we've got this lovely channel right here, from here all the way down. That's a horrendous drawing. From here all the way down, and then we had the M5 zone here that's invalid. No, I got that wrong. Here's the M5 zone that's invalid. We got first leg, second leg, and it just flew off. I couldn't get an entry on euro because I wanted to go long on euro and I wanted to go long on pound. Then on pound I wanted to go long from about here, but then I felt suspicious because it tagged into a 2-minute supply zone, and then I just didn't feel so sure because you had a lot of gappage. Like you had all this gap here and this demand zone here. So yeah, so I was right on pound yen, I was right on euro yen, euro dollar, god damn it. Pound dollar, no. Now to be honest, I don't want to be buying pound dollar because pound's so weak. Still can EUG, yeah, but for me, price is already gone. Price is already gone, bro. Because look here, yeah. I wanted to first leg, second leg, missed that zone there. The first leg, second leg. Then you got third leg here, which obviously ended up tagging into this supply zone here, giving a reaction, taking out these lows, pushing higher, which is perfect, but it didn't tag into any demand zone. It just kept tagging into invalid zone here, break the zone, invalid zone here, pull back, no entry, break the zone, invalid zone here, pull back, take out this low to push higher, but no real entry, bro, on M1, of course. So on M1 there was no entry at all. Now on pound USD is kind of the same thing. You had that invalid zone, price took it out, so I wanted to go long here, but then price just made equal lows and took that zone out. I didn't take it, I just something didn't feel right about that trade. I don't think it was fear, I think it was just instinct, possibly, I don't know. Because euro is doing big moves, yeah, pound's not really following suit in the same way. Yeah, and I don't know, if I was gonna buy, I'd rather buy euro because it's stronger and I don't like trading euro. If I was gonna short it, I'd short pound because like pound's a bit weaker. And then after that, man, he's pretty much been range band, to be fair, on EU, on GU, UJ, and the GJ started to move in the last 5-10 minutes. Started to move. Euro is starting to move as well in the last 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It's doing a bit of a pullback over here, back into the midline of Asia to go higher. Yeah, that's about it from me. Actually, you know what I haven't looked at? I haven't looked at gold or silver. Okay, silver ranged, as did gold. Interesting. What about oil and Bitcoin? Let's have a look at Bitcoinus. Oh, it went back up to 41%. Nice. And then what about oil? What? It went back up to 102 on crude. 106 on Brent. That's the market open, I'm guessing, innit? Yeah. Friday night. Then Saturday also, yeah, pushed up even more. Then that would be same with WTI. No, WTI is a bit more clear. So it's 99, then it went up to 102. Pull back down, going up again. Yeah, interesting. I'm just waiting for a clean day for a clean trade as always. Just waiting and waiting. Mwangi, give a signal, bro. Give a signal, Mwangi. I'll take it. 0.1% risk. I want a 1 to 10, please. Gimme. Please, Undugu, find the trade. Give to me, Undugu. Yeah, nothing's going on, man. It's a bit of a crap. You know, the thing is, we've got FOMC on Wednesday, so I'm just wondering what's gonna go on with that. Would that be one of the reasons why price isn't moving so much? And I think yes, that does make a lot of sense. Why it wouldn't want to move and stuff. Yep. What a jam-packed day. Tomorrow we don't have much either. And then Wednesday's big because you got Eurozone CPI, US PPI, and then we got FOMC. Hello. What's happening, boyos? What's happening?
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Markets are dirty today, bro. Quite dead. I called EU, right? GU. Well, GU's tricky at the moment. GJ, I was right. UJ, it's been stuck in a range, but I would prefer to go long. I'm yet to see if that was right. EU gave no entry because it just flew. Like you can see the candles on M5 is just pushing hard, bro, and there's no entry anywhere. Because there's invalidation after invalidation after invalidation. And all mine. The first leg, second leg tags into invalid zone, does a pullback, takes that internal structure, pushes higher, beautiful. After that, I'm done, mate. I'm not hopping in after any of this, because from this low it's already moved 30 pips. From this low it's already moved 23 pips. From this low it's already moved 19 pips. It's just moved far too quick and far away for me to consider getting in. So yeah, unfortunate. The long that was given on GU, because it gave a long, it was suspicious and it failed as well, which is why I didn't take it. And I don't know, I was looking at it, I was like, I don't like the look of that zone. It was over here. Where was it? It was this zone right here that I wanted to go long, and then I would have done like a 3 pip SL or 2.9 whatever, and I wanted to take it, but at that same time Euro was doing a pullback and then it bounced off at the midline. So I don't know, I just felt uncomfortable taking that long on GU because pound is weak at the moment. So when I seen Euro rallying the way it rallied, pound wasn't as good and the sell-off was way harsher. I was a bit like, I don't like the look of it. So that I didn't take it, which worked out in my favor completely. Okay, completely worked out in my favor. $4,977. 1 second, Wangi. 1 second. I'll have a look. Have a look, Seth. Oh, Haroon, can you hear me or not? I did my first rage quit on thingy. On Warzone. Thingy was laughing. What's the Indian guy's name? He was laughing at me, bro. He goes, bro, finally got his first rage quit. Oh god. 1 second, Wangina. Right, so where were we? 49.70. Oh god, we're back under 5k, aren't we? Yeah. 49.77. 49.77. Yeah, I would wait for Asia low, to be honest, Because I got a feeling it might take Asia low. I don't know, it just feels like it might come for Asia low. Let's go on the daily chart quickly. Have a quick nibbly noo. As long as silver keeps coming down, I'm happy. Because I want to get back into my discounts and then buy into silver. And I've got my personal account now, so I actually can slowly scale into that. I like the look of it. I don't like the look of DXY pushing and hitting 100. Looks like it might hold it. I hope it doesn't hold it. Yeah. Yeah, I love that there, why not? I'll chill till about 9:30 and then I'm probably done. Oh, they have more offers on. What's it mean by tier 2 entry? Because if that's the case, yeah, you'd rather get 200Ks or 100K. think this week is going to be good. Yeah. Yeah, we can hear you yapping. This guy. This guy. This geezer. Did you get an account or not? You said 49.77. We're coming for it. Slowly, slowly. We're coming for it. When's the last trade I took, man? Bro, the last trade I took was on the 15th of January. Wowza. It's been 2 months since I've taken a trade. Holy moly. Holy, 2 months since I've taken a trade. Flipping hell. Markets have been bad, you know. I know I got swerved at least. I know I set limits and I got swerved like 4 or 5 times. No, about 3 times I think. I know price flew off and left me without even tagging me. At least 2-3 times also. So I think about in 2 months, yeah, about 6 opportunities. 6/7. Yeah, that's okay. About 2-3 a month. Yeah, that's not bad. That's okay actually. Yeah, Harun, I was asking you when you're gonna get an account. Oil buy 95. Let's have a look. You think it's gonna come all the way down to here? That's gonna be a 4-5% drop. Was thinking today. Been like a full month. That's good. How have you felt not trading for a month? How did you feel? Do you feel like, oh, I need to get on the charts, or did you feel like I'm not bothered? How did you feel? And then looking at price action and stuff like that, how did you feel? And what did you think? I did feel I need to get on charts, but after a week I was okay. Wasn't feeling anything good was happening anyway. Exactly, that's good. The point is supposed to be that you should get like not addicted to trading, and that you just look for trades that are valid, and that's it. And when you're just sitting there not trading, watching the charts, it kind of makes you patient, innit? Because you're like, you see so many setups come and go. You're like, you know what, there's no rush because they're always gonna come. Eventually they'll come and eventually they'll go. It's like with me, innit? I'm not bothered, bro. Like there's been around, as I just said, about 6-7 opportunities over the last 1-2 months, but I've got swerved and blah 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 blah. But I know that they're gonna come around again anyway, so you just have to wait for them to come around again and take them, that's all. And then also the market conditions have been really bad. Really bad, which is good, because then, like, when you have an account, yeah, you don't realize how bad the market conditions are. You just look for a trade. You're trying to take a trade. Whereas when you obviously don't have an account and you're looking at the markets, you think, you know what, it's actually really bad price action. But if you had an account, you would have traded that price action. Whereas if you didn't have an account, you would have been like, you know what, it's not even worth trading it. You see how the mentality shifts. I don't know if you had that or not, but I do, because that's because I look at things in a slightly different, zoomed out way. But for me, Mwangi, on oil, I would have said like 98, 98.6 or 98 dead, or 98.1 basically. I gave it another 10-15 minutes. If you don't get any sort of movement in a direction, then I'm just gonna call it a day. Because to be honest, I want to go now. I want to go short on GJ, but I needed to take these highs to then come down. I think UJ is gonna take the highs and come down as well. I think so. I think UJ and GJ sells are gonna come. It's needed to happen soon, man. And then EUGU. I would like GU to come up, take these highs and drop down, but that doesn't make sense. If GJ, UJ are falling, then GU should naturally go up, so that wouldn't make sense. Nope. Euro looks better for the drop down to go up. If we get that drop down and then UJ comes up, takes the highs, then drops, and then Euro can fly upwards, that would make sense. The Euro looks a bit better. Not much else. Who are you gonna get an account with? Yeah, just get it like a 5k account or something. Yeah, something small and cheap. Sounds like a plan. Who the way Yahya is anyway? I've not heard from that guy for a while. I wonder if he's part of the Kurdistan forces that were apparently due to fight Iran. Oh dear. I don't think it's gonna do anything. I don't see anything happening, boys. I might cut the stream in a couple of minutes. Honestly, it's good in Frankfurt. Like mid Frankfurt was good. That push all the way through the London Open for about the first half hour. Yeah, pretty much like the first 20 minutes. Yeah. Hopefully, New York's gonna be alright, man. Hopefully. Looking at gold and silver, they're not doing much either. You know, I think gold buys are still going to be really good in the long term, because once all this stuff is settled, yeah, with all the Middle Eastern war and stuff, there's still the whole issue with the tariffs. There's still the whole issue with the Supreme Court fighting Trump on tariffs. There's still the whole economy doing bad and stuff like that. So to be honest, I think that as you can see, I think that gold longs are still a really good idea long term. Yeah, I'm calling it there, lads. I'm cutting the stream here because literally nothing's happening. There's no movement on prices, just stock being happy, to be fair. So I think I'm gonna probably cut it there, and then we'll see what tomorrow does. If tomorrow does nothing, then that literally means Wednesday is gonna be the big one for FOMC. I'll have a look if there is some type of trade I could take pre-FOMC and try and hold it through, because I think that they're not gonna cut rates. No, what happened? No, I'll have to have a look at the data. I think the jobs data was really bad from NFP. CPI came out as forecasted, which is 2.4%. 2.4% CPI. CPI, and then unemployment coming out bad. Off you go, get your panty shot. Yeah, bro, listen, I'm gonna tell you, Haroon, what happened, yeah? There's one guy sniped me from bare far away, yeah? So I ran after him. I tried to chase him. He killed me. Do you know what he did? He grabbed my body, took into the men's toilets, and was bombing me against the wall, bro. Bro, I've never been violated in my life. That's what I said to Sahad, yeah? I flipped. I went on a mad one. I flipped, bro. I said, Islam money. Bro, I went mad. He's like, yo, you're rage quitting. Because that was a violation, man. He picked up the body, he started bombing it in the toilet. Because he's on the map where you have the train station. And that's like my best map. Like, I'm sick on that spot. Bro, it's a violation, man. I got so angry. But also, you know what's really funny? Also, bye, Mwangi. You know what's really funny, yeah? You know when you're coming from your parachute and you keep getting shot? Bro, I swear, dad. Some of these are lulus, yeah? Like, they just sit there camping, waiting for you to come down and just shoot you on your way down. I think one game I got shot 6 times, bro. 6 times, I didn't even touch the ground once. It's actually bare funny, bro. It's actually bare funny. I enjoyed this, a good game, man. I didn't think I liked that type of game. Because I didn't think I like it. It was actually really funny. The toilet thing pissed me off here because there's a violation in it. And then I said to Saad, Wallahi, this guy's Israeli, bro. Because he's doing perverted bullshit. Because he's Israeli. Now, I don't know, it must have been from the lineage of Netanyahu, innit? But Kasib, I swear down, man. I'm about the guy who bombed me in the toilets, bro. That was disgusting. But the guy who kept shooting me, bro, it's funny because, like, he's a sniper. And he's on the roof, innit, yeah? And, like, you know when you get the kill cam, he had, like, the long-range sniper. Because all he's doing is just sitting there, waiting for me to land, bang, in the head. I'm dead. And you know, the funny thing was, yeah? I said to Sahad, yeah, because Sahad went to a different place. He goes, don't go there. I goes, I'm going to keep going until I win. And I died 6 times. I didn't even get 1 kill. I didn't get 1 assist. I didn't get 1 elimination. I just got 6 deaths. That's it. Again and again and again. It was funny, bro. That's me. It was funny. Oh, man. Yeah, that COD game's alright, to be fair, bro. It's not bad at all. Honestly, it's not bad. I enjoy it. I'm not that shit either, so I had said I'm actually okay because I got a few kills and stuff. I had 2 games where I did 10 plus kills, and I seem to average about 6 or 7 kills on average, which ain't bad, to be fair, bro. Considering I've never really played these games and stuff like that. So look, I'll leave you boys to it. Have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow. If I trade New York, I'll post it in Discord. Yeah, zombies part of it is better. Yeah, someone else was telling me that as well, man. But Sahar said it's like Fortnite. He goes more like a kid's game. It's more like Fortnite is what he said. But Warzone's good. Resurgence is good. I actually quite like that. But you get some proper sweats on there, bro. Proper sweats. And they be running around, yeah, and they be like flipping, running, jumping, sliding, and they're shooting whilst they're sliding, bro. How is that even possible? How is that even possible, bro? Laters, yeah, peace out, man. Take it easy. I'll see you boys tomorrow. I've dropped the links in the chat. Peace out. See you later. Bye bye.